Yo, so short video. I just got the new exhaust on. Well, not just. I got it on yesterday morning. So I wanted to start the engine for y'all. But today I'm trying to ride it. Today we're going to try to get to ride it. I'm not going to be able to record today because there's not enough room and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and start the engine. So let's start this thing. How about y'all? I'll put y'all on that side. There you go. Alright, there you go.